Greetings to our AGR405 lecturer, Madam Josephine Taning Pahang, and to all my fellow friends. Today I will be presenting one of the adoption of technology in Paddy Plantation, which is the biofortification of rice. Biofortification is the development of nutrient-dense staple crops using the best traditional breeding practices and modern biotechnology. Biofortification makes food more nutritious as plants are growing rather than having nutrients added to plant foods during processing. The first reason is rice is a staple food crop for more than 1 billion poor people. As a complex carb, it is the primary source of energy for over half of the world's people. Depending on the strain of rice, it can contain decent amount of fiber, protein, vitamin B, iron, and manganese. This means it can play a vital role against malnutrition. The second reason is rice endosperm, the starchy and most edible part of rice seed, is deficient in many nutrients including vitamins, proteins, micronutrients, and essential amino acid EA. The aileron layer of the husk rice grains is nutrient-rich but is lost during milling and polishing. Following polishing, the endosperm, however, contains only minute levels of fats and lack micronutrients like iron, zinc, vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers, which are mostly restricted in the outer layer or bran and germ of rice. Lastly, unprocessed rice becomes rancid. Rancid means smelly or unpleasant in taste. Nutrients biofortified into rice is vitamin A. Lack of vitamin A can cause sickness such as night blindness and hematopoiesis. The second one is iron. Lack of iron can cause sickness such as sickle cell anemia. The third nutrient is zinc. Lack of zinc can cause impairment of physical growth and DNA damage. The fourth is folate. The vitamin B9, lack of it can cause cardiovascular diseases. And the last one is glycinin. Lack of it can cause hair losses and poor growth. Methods used for rice biofortification is agrobacterium-mediated gene transfer. Agrobacterium is a useful tool for plant transformation because it can carry, transfer, and integrate a gene of interest into the plant genome. The second one is particle gun method, or we call it particle bombardment, or biolistic, is a commonly used method for genetic transformation of plant and other organisms. Millions of DNA-coated metal particles are shot at target cells or tissues using a biolistic device or gene gun. Fortification was done in many big rice producer countries such as India, China, USA, Japan, Philippines, and Vietnam. Of these technologies is increase in nutritional value, increase in yield, reduce dietary deficiency disease, and reduce adult and child micronutrient caused by mortality. This technology is high production cost such as equipment, technology, and patenting. The second one is low substantial equivalence in ability to provide high micronutrient and protein content compared to supplement. The third one is potential negative interaction of biofortified rice on other plants. And the last one is introduce risk of allergenicity. It may compromise immunity in humans since the method used was from genetic engineering.
In the late 1990s, German scientists developed a genetically modified variety of rice called golden rice. It was claimed to be able to fight vitamin A deficiency, which is the leading cause of blindness among children and can also lead to death due to infectious diseases such as measles. The claim has sometimes been contested over the years, with a 2016 study from Washington University in St. Louis reporting that the variety may fall short of what it is supposed to achieve. Now, Bangladesh could be on the verge of becoming the first country to approve plantation of this variety. The Dhaka Tribune recently quoted visiting Nobel laureate Sir Richard John Roberts as saying that Bangladesh would take a decision on the release of golden rice. Advocates of the variety stress how it can help countries where vitamin A deficiencies leave millions at high risk. In Bangladesh, over 21% of the children have vitamin A deficiency. The golden rice that is being reviewed in Bangladesh is developed by the Philippines-based International Rice Research Institute. According to the institute, this rice variety will not be more expensive than the conventional variety. Rice is naturally low in the pigment beta-carotene, which the body uses to make vitamin A. Golden rice contains this, which is the reason for its golden color.
That's all from me. Thank you.